that guy, knucklehead, with the open face hood. He was heading right at you. I'm like, oh, what the fuck?
So I adjusted to the right side, and then he was like, right in front of me.
Yeah, what a douche.
Rental. I think that's him right.
What a dumb fuck, you know? It's like, really?
So don't mind me, I'm gonna cut right in front of you. 300 feet on either side, dude.
Right, you know, no, hey, someone's coming, maybe I should slow down. Nope.
Here's our tower. If you want to ride around, I'll watch.
Oh, I'm good. It's all good.
That guy, little boy. Hottie on a quaddy. Fatty on a little quad.
You know this is all recording.
Do you have like an edit button on there?
Yeah, you can edit them. Like I gotta edit all my bitching out of that one video. God dang it! It's making me want to cry. Right.
They don't want you anywhere around past here.
Yeah, and you don't see anything beyond. I mean, maybe Winchester Bay is like a quieter place. I don't know. Oh, there might be a bunch of, is that a bunch of quads kind of just to the right of these tallest trees here? And above the other ones? Is that a bunch of quads? Or UTVs?
This way?
Well, like straight to your right. See them up there? Like you got these big tall trees, and just to the right I can see, I think, like 4 quad or 4 UTVs there off in the distance.
Are they on the ridge?
Below.
Oh,
Look.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are fun.
Okay. Doesn't look as busy over there, but who knows?
Then there are 8 quads sitting there too.
Yeah. Yeah. No shit.
I'm fine right here, man. This is cool here. I like this.
No.
Whatever you want to do.
I'm just buzzing around following you, Joe.
You don't want to get going too fast, you know?
It's just a little too scary. You know what I mean?
Okay. You ready to go?
Yeah. Stop, do whatever. Yep, pretty fun.
Get my tunes going.
Get your Dune music going.
Probably Catharsis from Machine Head.
Oh, there you go.
Wait.
Play it loud.
Yeah. If you see me flipping, it's into the drum roll.
Yeah, there you
I'll be
go.
like,
That's why you don't look too worried.
No.
They need to push or?
Oh, they're gonna come, pull it out. It's not ours. It's spin reels. They can deal with it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're leaving anyway. So. Yeah.
Had your fun.
Yeah, we were just on our way back, and we're like, oh, yeah, got pulled up.
Yeah. Oh well, it's all part of the fun.
Yeah.
I have another story.
Oh, I know. I bet if I floored it back, I could get out of it, but it's not my machine, so I'm not gonna.
Yeah.
Let them do it.
Try not to muck it up anymore, type of deal, huh?
Yeah, I don't want to pay $2,000 for their little fee or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they'll come yank you out though, and it doesn't cost anything.
They're coming right now. Yeah. Yeah, they'll pull us out.
Huh? Well, that's cool. At least you got like a tow service, if nothing else.
Like this machine will go through any hill or dune there is, and you're not gonna get stuck. But
Except this one.
Right.
this one. Go
Yep.
this way. This way it's fine.
Yeah, they didn't give you directional of
Yeah, we're
which
good.
dunes.
Thank
Okay.
you. Thanks for checking that.
Yeah.
No problem, man. Have a good time.
Yeah, you too.